Hello, everyone. It's me again, Marlin Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Gospel preacher first and entrepreneur next. I believe in making videos and I enjoy making these videos. And what I want you to do before we go on, hit that subscribe button that's down below and hit the alert bell so you can be alerted the next time I make a video. Uh, this video is about partnering up with me. Partner up with Marlin. That's my domain name. Partner up with Marlin. And what I want to do from this day forward is use my domain name. And inside of this domain name, it's going to be different ways that I market online. Partner up with Marlin. Join me on my journey with online and offline marketing. It's not just online, it's offline as well. In other words, it's a way that you can make an extra income from home or from marketing online with the different tools that I use. Partnering up with Marlin may have a postcard business, which this one does from this point. It's advertising the postcard business that I am involved with called Cash Building System Unlimited. Yes, this is just one of the many programs that you might see under Partner Up with Marlin as I go forward. But for right now, from today, at the time of this video, I am promoting Cash Building System Unlimited. And next week, it may be a marketing system that I use other than the postcard marketing business that I am involved with. But it's all going to be under Partner Up with Marlin. So I am Marlin Carter again out of Dallas, Texas. And if you want to see the postcard business I'm involved with, it's called, again, Cash Building System Unlimited. You can join up with me. You can partner up with me. All it costs is $50 one-time fee. And once you join, you're getting 200 postcards, and you're getting 200 leads that you can mail those postcards out to. So this is a great business opportunity that you can do offline. You can do it offline or you can do it online. But to start off with, you're going to get your postcards, and it's just another way of advertising online, or you can just mail out your postcards from home. But what I want you to do is go over here and click this tag right here that says click here, watch the video. Go over here and look at the different ways that you could make money right from your home, mailing out postcard, a simple business that even a child can do it. But anyway, partner up with Marlin. That's my domain. I am Marlin Carter. I would want you to join my team, but if you choose not to, it's okay. But I love making these videos to give you an opportunity to join up with me. How about just mailing out some postcards today? How about just joining up, and within a week you're going to get 200 postcards and 200 leads out of expense out of your pocket. The expense out of your pocket is going to be that $50 one-time fee you join up uh, in the business with, and then you're going to have to purchase your own postcard stamps. Put a stamp on it, put one of those leads on it that you get when you join up in your kit. You get it in your kit. When you receive your kit, put that lead on it. Put your ID number on there. Don't forget that. You're getting an ID number once you join. And my ID number is 1556. When you join up, just join up with me. It's going to be on the video. Let's click this and see what you're going to. This is the video right here. Right here says, see how you can make a living with Cash Building System Unlimited. Watch this video. See, this is the video I want you to watch. My ID number is 1556. And right here, you click here to sign up. Watch this video first, though. And then afterward, just click here. It's going to take you to this page right here. JD Marketing is the company that we're involved with, and Cash Building System is under this name, JD Marketing. All right. I am Marlin Carter. Partner up with Marlin is my domain name, and you will see different videos with under Partner up with Marlin, and I hope that you join up with me so you can kind of travel on my journey with online and offline marketing tools and products programs that you might want to get involved with. We will see you on the next video. I am the Elder Marlin Carter, gospel preacher first, entrepreneur next. You all have a wonderful day or night. Be blessed. Smile for someone if it's not just for yourself. Bye-bye.